Hi there, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to export Google Sheets as a PDF. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. We have a very simple Google Sheets here. I just want to export the results as a PDF. Super easy to do. Open up the Google Sheets, go to File, Download, and then the third option, it will be PDF. So select that, and you'll come to this particular screen. You can't see it that well, but basically it's showing the results. There's only 4 results plus the column headers there, and then different ways of showing the data: portrait or landscape, fit to width, etc. So when you're all set with that, just click the export button. It just downloaded that as a PDF, and then I would look in the downloads folder or wherever you downloaded it to, just to take a look at it. If you want to, you can send it to somebody else or put it in another folder or something like that, regardless of whether it's a Windows, a PC, or a Chromebook. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to in30minutes.com, that's our official website, you'll see our book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It's currently in its 3rd edition, very popular. We also have cheat sheets for Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Drive. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.